In the 1960s, Edwin van Ruymbeek's grandfather dabbled in crafting mechanical birds. Edwin carried on the tradition, introducing the X-Fly, a lightweight drone at a mere 12 grams. This aerial marvel not only maintains flight for 10 to 12 minutes on a full battery but also offers smartphone-guided navigation. The wing design received input from the French military, envisioning a compact drone capable of a 100-meter flight. Secure the X-Fly, inclusive of battery and charger, for a reasonable $86. As individuals immerse themselves further into the tech realm, the importance of emotional communication grows exponentially. Recognizing this trend, the creators of the AI HoloBox have responded with a device tailored for continuous conversations. Essentially functioning as a smart assistant, the AI HoloBox operates on ChatGPT, utilizing AI algorithms to display impressive holograms without the requirement of specialized glasses. Furthermore, the device allows users to upload videos, providing a means to revisit cherished moments. Compact in size, comparable to a water bottle, the AI HoloBox offers portability, ensuring you can carry this technological marvel with you wherever you roam. This groundbreaking innovation is now obtainable for $180. Now, let's delve into the AKASO Seemor night vision goggles, the world's inaugural model fusing smart technology with a remarkable 99% color reproduction. The range is nothing short of impressive, allowing you to spot people at 500 meters and buildings at a full kilometer away. If you need to record in monochrome, it's a breeze. These goggles can shoot 4K video with 7 levels of infrared illumination and boast a 16 times digital zoom, capturing every minute detail. Save your images on a memory card of up to 512 gigabytes or conveniently share them with your smartphone via Wi-Fi. These cutting-edge goggles are available for just $189. Bid farewell to waste, say adios to unpleasant odors, and wave goodbye to overflowing bins. Enter the Almoway Composter, which effortlessly transforms food scraps into compost with a simple touch. Whether it's fruits, vegetables, meats, bread, or bones, load it all into Almoway, and you'll have compost in just 4 hours. With a 3-liter capacity, it operates as quietly as a fridge, ensuring it won't disturb your conversations. The Almoway Composter is available for $240. The surge in bicycle theft during the pandemic, exacerbated by production cuts in some factories, has become a prevalent issue in numerous countries. BrightLoc comes as a solution to safeguard bikes from thieves. This robust U-shaped lock proves its mettle in parking lots, and during rides, it transforms into both front and rear lights. Notably, it's rain-ready in any mode. Cyclists have already embraced this innovation on Kickstarter, securing it for $85. The team at ErgoRead has been performing admirably. Initially setting a $2,000 goal on Kickstarter, they surpassed expectations by raising over $95,000. Backers were captivated by ErgoRead's distinctive features. This multifunctional device functions as a neck heater, fan, light, speaker, and a wireless microphone. It can warm up to 60 degrees Celsius, and you have the flexibility to adjust the brightness and color temperature of the light. With a full battery, ErgoRead can endure up to 32 hours. Currently, it's up for grabs at a price of $59. This puzzle is truly impressive, pulling in more than $61,000 on Kickstarter. Comprising 627 metal and glass pieces, it assembles into a mesmerizing high-tech spider with a luminous touch. Certain joints are movable, and the plasma lamp illuminates in a spectacular fashion. Just a heads up, piecing it together will occupy about 6 hours of your time. The price tag for this captivating puzzle is $79. This firearm comes equipped with 6 rubber band rounds, boasting a reach of approximately 6 meters, and conveniently fits into your pocket. What more could one desire in a weapon of this nature? Although the seller recommends it for children, we suspect that adults may find some office amusement with it as well. The gun, accompanied by 100 rubber bands, is available at the reasonable price of $15. Say hello to Artemis, a cutting-edge bow that delivers the finesse of archery directly to your doorstep. This one-of-a-kind bow revolutionizes training into an enjoyable game. Just locate a square meter of space, position yourself at a minimum of 1.5 meters away from the screen, and you're good to go. It caters to both right-handed and left-handed individuals, ensuring ease of use, even for beginners. The accompanying app provides an array of shooting modes, ranging from casual to Olympic levels. Moreover, the creators are actively working on upgrades for authentic bows. Currently, Artemis is available for just $105. The Konsivy Pro transcends a typical telescope, as claimed by its creators. It not only facilitates recording 4K videos, effortlessly shareable through Wi-Fi or a wired connection, but also enables you to connect your smartphone for seamless footage editing. Doubling as a versatile photo or video camera with time-lapse and pano modes, the device boasts a 10x optical and digital zoom, magnifying up to 2.3 times. All these features are packaged at a price of $169. It's a bit surprising that the Konsivy Pro team didn't collaborate with the Smoke S folks. This smoke machine performs miracles for any shoot, filling approximately 20 cubic minutes with smoke in just a minute. With a full charge, it delivers a solid 25 minutes of uninterrupted action. Ideal for indoor shoots, it won't set off fire alarms. The kit includes a remote control for convenient device operation, and all of this can be yours for $128. If you think this compilation lacks multi-tools, take a look at the Leatherman Style CS model. These multi-tools are trusted by the US military for their reliability. While the Style CS is a simpler version, its $34 price tag is justified. Weighing around 40 grams, it includes a knife, screwdriver, scissors, tweezers, a file, and a carabiner with a built-in bottle opener. The spring-loaded steel blade allows for easy one-handed use and doubles as a key ring. The seller proudly dubs this crossbow a metallic masterpiece, despite its toy-like appearance. However, it's not child's play. It fires both 2-gram mini arrows and 4mm diameter steel balls. The trigger design has undergone enhancements for a more enjoyable shooting experience and easier reloading. Your purchase includes 50 mini arrows and 2 spare crossbow strings, all available for around $130. Is your neighbor once again engaging in some wall remodeling, disrupting your peace? Finding it challenging to catch some shut-eye on a plane, train, or in a car, leaving your head in disarray? After extended computer sessions, does your neck feel like it's on the verge of rebellion? Enter Napillow, a harmonious fusion of noise-canceling earmuffs and a neck pillow. Slide it on, and behold, the world becomes 35 decibels quieter, granting your neck a luxurious upgrade. The Napillow comes with a price tag of $49, and for an additional $25, they sweeten the deal with a complimentary sleep mask. Evidently, there are individuals who crave an abundance of screens in their lives, giving rise to the existence of the $900 Nxtabl. Designed to comfortably accommodate up to 6 people, this table features a 4K touchscreen with dual stereo speakers, enhancing the overall experience. With 8 GB of RAM, you can relish lag-free video and audio playback, while the generous 128 GB built-in memory allows you to curate an extensive library of movies and music. Furthermore, the Nxtabl is versatile. It can be rotated and connected to a game console through its USB and HDMI connectors. Rest assured, with this table, you might find it hard to tear yourself away. Introducing RUKUS Just Play FX, a DJ console bringing the party to your fingertips with a range of moves. With the ability to mix 80 sound effects and 120 tracks, it comes preloaded, but you can also inject your own sounds and songs. An official app is available to fine-tune your recorded music and share it. And when you're not in DJ mode, it seamlessly transitions into a video game controller. The RUKUS Just Play FX is attractively priced at $57, making it a sweet deal for those aspiring to channel their inner David Guetta. The Chinese company Saramonic, with a name akin to Panasonic, specializes in crafting top-notch audio equipment. Take a look at their BlinkMe radio system, seamlessly compatible with DSLR cameras, laptops, smartphones, and more. Noteworthy for its touch screens on both transmitters and receivers, the transmitters boast an impressive 8-hour battery life on a single charge, while the receiver lasts a full day. Intriguingly, the receiver can recharge the transmitters, and you can display volume, clock, music buttons, and more on them. A set comprising a receiver and 2 transmitters is priced at $278. Turn on the SUNKOS heater, and within a mere 3 seconds, it reaches a toasty 200 degrees Celsius. The creators dedicated years to refining a special heating film, making this infrared heater quieter than traditional oil heaters and avoiding the issue of drying out the air. Weighing a modest 3.2 kilograms, it's not recommended for outdoor use, as a gust of wind might tip it over. You have multiple control options, including a touch panel, an app, remote control, or even voice commands via Amazon Alexa. Secure the SUNKOS heater for $229, and stay warm with ease. Whether it's a drone, a boat, or even a Boston Dynamics robotic dog, the UGOT system empowers you to craft a variety of robots, guaranteeing endless entertainment. This sophisticated system synchronizes with ChatGPT and can be customized through visual or Python programming. Fancy orchestrating a techno ballet? No problem, these robots can coordinate effortlessly. The starting model is available at the price of $349. Weighing in at a mere 200 grams and fitting comfortably in your pocket, the FIVERAY M20C Lite delivers a punch comparable to its larger counterparts. This compact tool proves invaluable for photo shoots or parties, boasting a peak power of 20 watts and a 40-minute runtime. You can conveniently adjust color temperature and backlighting directly from your smartphone. Get creative with shades, diffusers, and more to personalize your lighting experience. Priced at $169, the FIVERAY M20C offers diffused light and more for your customized lighting needs. Exceptionally practical tool, a magnifying glass with backlight offering 55 times magnification for your smartphones. This handy device is available at a cost of $150.